Welcome to the student tutorial of calls.com. Students can enjoy live classes and courses by click on Enroll Now that will lead to kcells.com, our world best learning platform. Before purchasing courses and enjoying live classes, please create your account by clicking on Login or Sign Up button and selecting Register Now at kcells.com. This will open the Sign Up as Student form where you will need to provide your name, email, password, country, phone number, and agree to the terms. Your account has been created successfully. Please check your email to confirm your account. Check junk folder if you didn't get any email. Now verify your account by clicking here. You are now a verified user. Once logged in, you can explore live classes and courses offered by schools, teachers, and trainers. Review details such as fees, timetables, duration, and instructor profiles. If a class or course meets your needs, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. To complete your purchase, click on Checkout, then enter your card details and billing information. After payment is processed, your live classes and courses will appear in the All Classes dropdown. You will receive reminders 1 day before the class starts, and again 1 hour and 15 minutes prior. On the scheduled date and time, click View Timetable and then Start Class. When class will be started, it will turn green, and students will be able to enjoy classes by click on Start Class. These interactive classes allow you to ask live questions to your instructor. Classes will conclude at the scheduled time, and you will receive a recording afterward. Here you will get all necessary tools in one place. No need any third-party tools to enjoy classes or conduct the class. You can exchange messages with the respective teacher for any clarification by clicking here. For any courses you have purchased, you can access them anytime under All Classes to watch them again. If a training certificate is offered by the provider, it will be provided by the respective school or college at the end of the course.